In this video, I will walk you through my UI/UX design framework process from ideation to the finished products. This framework ensures that each project I work on not only meets the client's expectations but also delivers an exceptional user experience. So let's begin. The first thing is ideation. The first step in my design process is ideation. This is where I generate ideas and identify the problems that need solving for my clients. I start with brainstorming sessions to let the creativity flow and explore a wide range of possibilities. This helps in understanding what works well in the industry and where improvements can be made. The goal here is to create a list of ideas, a problem statement, and initial user personas that represents the target audience. Okay, so the next thing is design style research. Next, I move on to design style research. This step is crucial for gathering inspiration and defining the visual direction for the project. I go through the project competitors' websites to see what kind of style and structure they're using. This provides a benchmark and helps identify key design elements. I look at design trends on various platforms, such as Dribble or Behance, to stay updated with the latest styles and techniques. You can search for design styles that clients prefer and gather ideas that will be useful for the design project. Gathering inspiration from various sources, I create mood boards that help me understand the visual style that will best suit the project and align with the client's vision. After finalizing the design concept, I start wireframing and sketching. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for the entire project. Then I create detailed wireframes and sketches to lay out the structure of the pages. These wireframes serve as the blueprint for the design, helping to visualize the user flow and ensure that all necessary elements are in place. Each wireframe includes the placement of buttons, images, and other essential components, allowing me to see how users will navigate through the site. During this phase, I focus on functionality and usability, making sure that the design is intuitive and user-friendly. I also take into consideration the feedback from the ideation phase to ensure that the design meets user needs and addresses their pain points. Once the wireframes are ready, I confirm them with my clients. This step is vital for ensuring that the project is on the right track before moving forward. I present the wireframes to my clients, explaining each element and its purpose. This presentation includes a walkthrough of the user journey, highlighting how the design addresses their objectives. I gather their feedback and make any necessary adjustments based on their input. This process ensures that the client's vision is accurately captured and that we are aligned before moving on to the detailed design phase. During these meetings, I also discuss any potential challenges and solutions, ensuring that the clients are fully informed and involved in the decision-making process. With the wireframes confirmed, I start designing the pages. This phase is where the visual design takes shape, transforming the wireframes into detailed, high-quality mock-ups. I take the wireframes and start designing the actual pages. This involves creating the final visuals for each page, ensuring that the design is consistent and visually appealing. I pay close attention to the typography, color schemes, imagery, and other visual elements to create a cohesive look and feel. I use design tools like Adobe XD, Figma to create these detailed designs. These tools allow me to create interactive prototypes which help me in visualizing the final product and making any necessary adjustments. Throughout this phase, I continually refer back to the design style research and mood boards to ensure that the design aligns with the client's vision and current design trends. Next, I create a design system. This ensures consistency across the project and simplifies the development process. I define the icons, color schemes, typography, and the UI components that align with the chosen design concepts. This design system helps maintain a cohesive look and feel throughout the products. It includes guidelines for how each component should be used, ensuring that the design remains consistent as the project evolves. The design system also includes a component library which provides reusable design elements that can be used across different parts of the project. This not only ensures consistency but also speeds up the design and development process. After completing the design, it's time for the handoff to the front-end developers. This step is crucial for ensuring that the design is implemented accurately. I provide developers with all the design files and specifications. I use collaboration tools like Zeppelin or InVision to ensure a smooth handoff. These tools allow developers to inspect the design files, access assets, and understand the design specifications. Additionally, I explain effects and animations that should take place to bring the design to life. This includes detailed descriptions of interactive transitions and other dynamic elements. I maintain constant communication with the development team throughout the development phase. This ensures that any questions or issues are addressed promptly. I work closely with the developers, reviewing process and providing feedback to ensure that the design is implemented and intended. This collaboration helps in smoothly proceeding with the development and delivering a polished final product. Regular check-ins and reviews are conducted to ensure that the design and development are aligned. Any discrepancies are addressed immediately to avoid delays or miscommunication. And there you have it, the complete UI/UX design framework process from ideation to finished products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics that you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.